Thanks for stopping by. Killer TopKoats here. We replaced this driver's door and I'm applying some sealer to it with a slight blend on the rear door with the sealer and also on the front fender. Alright, next I'm applying clear binder, I call it. It's basically base coat without pigment, so it's clear. Gives a good foundation for the metallics to lay on. I apply one coat on the blended area. And I go back for my second, and I also just go ahead and hit that door. That way everything's uniform and ready for those metallics. Alright, we start with the silver base coat. I always start on my blend area first. Good coverage there. And you can see one to the fender, pull in my blend. And now I'll hit that door for the first coat. Alright, I'm going in for the second coat of base, and here I will continue with my blend. Both panels, hit the door again. Okay, once I finally have coverage, I start with my drop coat. It's a low pressure mist coat, just to uniform the metallics. Get that nailed one coat into the blend area, and I repeat one more time, 2 drop coats. Check it with a light, make sure everything's good. Here we go with clear coat. 2 coats. Medium wet first, super wet second. Here's that final coat of clear, the money coat we call it. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave comments if you have any questions. Thanks.